here is the 2 outfits that I got for Bo and Chewbacca. What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. Jade, my mom Tina here, and we're here with another day and another vlog for you guys. And I know it's been a while, guys, since we did a vlog, but we're back. We just took a break on YouTube.
I was sick.
Yeah, my mom was sick, and she's still kind of not there yet. I mean,
Not there yet. Yeah.
well, I mean,
I'm getting better.
yeah, she's getting better. We're gonna try and get her a doctor though, but anyway, because her doctor that she has, our family doctor that she has, he just doesn't really know what he's doing really, because he tells her to do this and that, what to eat and what not to eat, you know, to be able to help her kidney and everything. And I mean, and she's been doing that, and it's not doing a thing, so he don't really know what he's talking about. And my mom tries to tell him, you know, and this is what you're supposed to do with doctors. You're supposed to tell them all the problems you're having. Well, she tells him, and then he's just like, ignores her, like, oh, okay, well, and then he just forgets it, and then he just tries to hurry up and get her out of there. And I'm like, that's not a doctor.
So I'm going to get another doctor and get another opinion.
Yeah.
On what's going on.
So, anyways, so yeah, we need you guys to be able to pray for her, if you will. Her kidney is just not doing good right now. She only really has one right now. Well, I mean, I don't mean right now. She only has one left. Well, that's because the one that she did have at the age of 6, it shriveled up and then shrank and then died on her. So she only has one left. So I mean, you guys need you to pray for her, please. And I know the wind. Well, I've got the window rolled down in the car. So what were you doing? What your face? What were you doing? Your face? No. Be funny on camera? Okay. No. Anyways, guys. So yeah, I thought that, you know, we needed to start making vlogs again for you guys. So here we are, we're back, and hopefully we will do better vlogs now, because I've really been trying to think of content, better contents for you guys. And so yeah, I hope that we can do better vlogs now. But now that it's summer, I'm pretty sure that we'll be able to have better vlogs for you guys. But anyways, we are here at RC Willie's. So I gotta let you go. I gotta let you guys go. And I don't know if I can film in here or not, but I don't know. But anyway, we'll see you when we pick the camera back up. Okay, guys, we're here at Walmart.
Yeah,
I didn't get to film.
We gotta go in here for a few minutes.
Yeah, I didn't actually get to film in RC Willie, because I was like, I don't think they would really appreciate it, because I mean, I had everybody looking at me when I had my camera. I had my camera with me because just in case if I was to be filming in there. But anyway, and you know, us YouTubers, you know, we're always taking our camera everywhere we go with us, because you never know, you know, what you can catch on camera to make good content and other reasons. But anyway, we're here at Walmart. Look what my mom just did.
Stop it. Get some help.
She put our cup right there, and she's not even going to take it with her and wait till she finds a garbage can. And I've got mine down there, because I'm not done with her. She just gave you a kiss. Anyway. Guys, listen to this. You can hear this. It's bubbling. I think that's so cool that you can hear it bubbling like that. But
Hold on to your camera. Don't hold it out to the outside like that, baby.
oh, sorry. But anyway, guys, yeah,
Look at
we're
this
just
dude.
now leaving. We got something to eat. I didn't get to film on YouTube really earlier. And I didn't really film in Walmart. Most of you guys should know that you're a YouTuber, you know, you should know this. But anyway, that Walmart don't like you to film. And there's Walmart store, but anyway. And we went to Petco's, PetSmart. And first we went to PetSmart because I was wanting to get these little shorts that I saw at PetSmart one day. That was like adorable. And
For Bobo.
yeah, for Bo and Chewbacca, and they ran out of them. And it had actually, you know, like a bandana to match, a shirt to match, yeah, and a hat, and glasses, and I thought it was just so adorable. And I was like, at least I could get them the shorts and the shirt. Well, that didn't turn out to be because they ran out, or they just weren't selling it anymore. So I'm like, well, shoot. So we went to Petco to see what they had. And they have more choices in clothes and variety of clothes. But anyway, so I got them both a little t-shirt. They didn't have no shorts or anything like that, but you know. But I'm thinking I might get those shorts at Petco if they got them still. I mean at PetSmart if they've got them still. Next time. I mean like next month or so, but I'm not real sure. But anyway.
Yeah, they're like little surfboards on them.
Yeah.
They're cute.
They are. But anyway, we'll show you guys with the two shirts and my mom got them all three of them, Bo, Chewbacca, and Faith. We have 3 dogs. So we're gonna show, and Faith is the little girl. But anyway, we're gonna show you the 3 outfits that we got for them to match, so that they can all 3 match each other. And then she got Faith a little outfit for herself, because since I got Bo and Chewbacca an outfit, my mom decided to get Faith an outfit to be able to go along
with them. Yeah.
So anyway, and my mom also got this like cage thing back here. So anyway, we are going to show you all this when we get home. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And then turn on that notification bell so you don't miss a video when we upload a video. And so we're just about home, so we'll see you then. Here is the 2 outfits that I got for Bo and Chewbacca. I thought they were so cute. And then here's the outfit for Faith. And then Mom got 3 of these. 1, 2, and 3. 1 for Bo, 1 for Chewbacca, and 1 for Faith. And I don't know if we are going to be opening this today or not.
We're going to.
Oh, you do? Okay, well, so we'll show you that later on in the vlog. I don't mean earlier, but later on in the vlog.
The tag off of it.
Yeah. Oh. Here's Bobo and Chewbacca with their little outfits on. But I spent 31 something on them 2. And then Bobo has to go and growl at me. I don't know. I don't know if he was actually growling or if he was talking.
He's really not into the clothes thing anymore like he used to be when he was a puppy.
Yeah.
He's getting out of that.
Yeah.
But Chewbacca, he don't mind. He's like, okay, whatever.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay, guys. She is getting it out.
come on.
Okay, we will show you the reveal of it when it gets done. Now. So here it is, guys. We've got it up. Chewbacca's in it. We're not going to leave it like this, guys. We're just...
No, it's mainly for when they go outside. Because Chewie and Faith is so small, they can actually get through those little holes in our gate.
Yeah.
And I don't want them trying to escape and then getting ran over.
Yeah.
So, that's why I got this.
Yeah.
They can
Chewbacca's
play
like, please
outside.
help me out. I'm in jail. Please get me out of here.
They can play in it outside and have fun and not get hurt.
Yeah.
That's my main concern.
And guys, right now we've actually got their outfits off for now because they don't need their outfits on right now anyway. But I think, and if you guys think so too, leave down in the comments if you think so, that I think that they should have their picture made in their little outfits. I think it's just too cute. So if you think they ought to have their picture made, leave it down in the comments. And so anyway, well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. So just remember, we're back. We are done taking a break from YouTube for now. So just remember, it's it's just very few times that we'll be doing vlogs, you know, every month, you know, about 2, 3, or 4 vlogs at the most. 4 vlogs a month at the most. But anyway, so we're gonna get back into it. So anyway, guys, if you'd like to, you can follow, you can DM me, and the links are in the description. And if you'd like to DM my mom too, you can go ahead and do so. And other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. So, always crying.
Come on. No, Faith, come on.
Oh, she's getting a little Faith out.
Oh, just a minute, baby.
Faith is in heat, and that's why Chewbacca's crying, because he's wanting her so bad because she's in heat. And as you can see, Bo is following her around like crazy because Bo he can smell that she's in heat. But anyway.
Faith.
Oh, we're gonna be putting a little outfit on for her, so we can let you guys see that, and we'll show you guys these outfits on them some other time. So we'll show you this little outfit on her.
Faithy. Come here, baby
before
girl.
I out the outro for you. There she is, guys. Oh, she won't be still long enough for you guys to see that. But anyway.
There we go.
It's ready to flamingo. I think is what it says, but anyway. It's got flamingos on the skirt. But anyway. Whew. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do the outro now. So out the outro, Mom.